How to contact MEXC customer support. Let's go ahead and start the video. So as soon as you open MEXC, you can see this option of this earphone. You can see that you can tap on it. As soon as you tap on it, you will be headed to the customer service option or the customer support option given by MEXC. You can directly chat with this bot over here, or else if you have any type of problems, you can see the top questions over here as well. You can also see the activity related to your problems, and definitely this will help you out by solving the problems. Or else you can just go ahead and tap on the profile icon on the top left hand side and tap on customer service and support. You can find help center, MEXC verify, and customer service right here as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can find the customer support and contact it on MEXC was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye and take care.